Alright everyone, we're here at the train station. We're doing it. We're trying out the train system for the very first time. I know it's not super complicated. We just haven't done it here. I've done it in France, but you never know.
It'll be fun.
Yeah. Quick trip down to Brussels. So, yeah, here we go.
Allons-y.
Here in Brussels, we were in this little center and I showed that we were next to Gaufres de Bruxelles, and that is actually right like a block away from the train station. So we're gonna go find food. We're starving, but it's so cute around here. It's like what, almost 12, so most places aren't open yet, so our timing was not perfect, but we're gonna get food real soon because I'm real hungry. So here we go. We found a place nearby, and this is the menu. They actually had quite a bit to offer. They also had lunch specials. We just didn't even like think about it, which we should have, but they had those posted outside as well. No regrets.
Instagram.
Yeah, I'm excited. So good. So we both got steak. We just got different cuts. He got the filet and I got a different cut. I don't remember. But you could also choose like the kind of dipping sauce. So he got the mushroom and I got the béarnaise sauce. I liked his better, but it was a really good lunch. Galerie Royal Hubert. You come across the street. Brussels Grill. That's where we ate lunch. It was...
Is it Brussels or Liege?
See, no one knows. This is the building. This is the place. So that's where you go in.
Yeah.
So just, this is it. This is the place.
It's good.
Yeah. Boom. We tried it for the very first time. We're at the bottom of the hill is where they're at from the train station. And...
very good.
just as good as the ones we get at the mall.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if we've talked about this. We're obsessed with the ones from the mall. They've been our favorite so far. Moist, but dense, but flaky, but sweet, not dry, all that. Anyway, so we're back here right outside the train station. It's kind of back there. And we are going to now take the train. We had our lunch, and we're gonna take the train home. We're the only ones in the car. We looked at the clock and it was 1:45. We were originally gonna take the 2:15 train, and we're like, well, it's at 1:48. Do we want to run? I'm like, okay, sure, let's run. Because we stopped to eat the waffle, right? So we ran, and we get, and the doors are closing. We hit the button, nothing. And someone gets our attention. We look over, and there's a door open, and the conductor guy's like, here, come in here. Well, it's first class. We had paid for second class. I'm not trying to be dishonest, but like, this was the only door open, and he told us to come in. He didn't push us back to second class, so I guess we get a free trip with first class this time. More space, very nice. No one's in here. The first class car just has bigger seats and a little more leg room, so it was nice, and very few people were in there during the entire 45 minutes. We did it! We took the train. 45 minutes from here to there. Now we're back. Normal life. Alright everyone, thank you so much for joining us on our date, first train ride, all of that to Brussels. Don't be intimidated by just like hopping on the train.
It's easy.
Easy.
Loved it.
Fun. Quick. That's what she said. So, obviously this is, time has passed. It's been a couple days. So, we just forgot to film this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up.
Ding.
Subscribe.
Please do.
Share if you want to be like, hey, look at these people being goofs around Europe. That's us.
We have a lot of fun.
And if you have any questions, just comment below. We're happy to answer anything for you. So have a good one. Bye.